Alright, the teacher gave us this, and she said that we're going to do our article about the bomb by Japanese planes. So you guys aren't going to pay attention. Anyway, so this morning that Japanese planes had attacked Pearl Harbor. So
Hey, man. That was a good one,
that's what we're doing.
Hey, you got my phone, man? Yeah.
You guys do what you guys are doing.
Oh, dude, you took the newspaper.
What? No! No! Oh, crap. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Hello? Hey, dude. I need your help. With what, dude? Dude, where are you? I'm in the upstairs bathroom. Dude, I need your help. Honestly, there's no toilet paper in the bathroom. And I need you to bring me down some toilet paper. I'm in the downstairs bathroom. Dude, I can't bring you the toilet paper. But I do have a big roll, and I can roll you the toilet paper. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna send it down then. Okay. Alright, hold your horses. I am. Alright, toilet paper. If Ronnie wants you, he's gonna get you. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna plug this in. In. Away you go. Neon Ranger.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging. Tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging. They hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me riding dirty, tryna catch me.
Your cat is really fat, hanging in under the hat. Yeah. What now? Yeah. Black, white, I don't know. You're brown, I'm brown. Toilet paper roll me on the floor. Cruising down the street. Hold on. Cut the track, man.
What's up?
Dude, I got a feeling, man.
What?
I got a feeling I gotta kick that toilet paper down these stairs.
Why?
Just, I got a feeling, man.
It's too hot. Cat.
So it ain't easy to be seen. Police see me ride by, they can see the gleam. I shine on the deck in the TV screen. Ride with a new chick, she like cola. Next to the PlayStation controller is a full clip in my pistola. Send a jacker into a coma. Girl, you ain't known crazy like Crazy Bone. Just tryna bone, ain't tryna have no babies. Ride clean as hell, so I pull in ladies. Laws on patrol, and you know they hate me.
Up and away!
nurses all gathered round, and they gazed in wide wonder at the joy
5, 6, 7, 8, yeah.
they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, leave this one alone. She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone.
No, they hate me. Music turned all the way up into the maximum. I can speak to some niggas.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, did I tell you about Martha? Martha Stewart?